Well, we are celebrating Young Bridge Builders this morning, where a group of children and teens in San Jose are spending their summer giving back to the community. Our Len Ramirez shows us how they're bridging the gap between privilege and poverty.
What is the project today? You are going to work with the children? What's it?
On a warm summer day in this East San Jose housing complex, Aisha Charagula is bridging the gap between privilege and poverty in Silicon Valley.
You have your own experiment, huh?
And she's doing it with the power of youth. Aisha is the founder of Empower and Excel, a San Jose nonprofit which takes 5 to 18-year-olds from some of the valley's wealthiest neighborhoods and puts them in the service of the less fortunate. Here, Empower and Excel students are showing fun, hands-on science and technology experiments to children from the Valley Palms community.
It's a win-win situation. Community is benefiting with the services. At the same time, youth is benefiting, knowing, more about the community and the reality of the life.
Aisha knows that from her own family. After graduating with a master's degree in information technology management, Aisha went on to have a successful career in tech. But she realized her own children and those in her community could use a reality check and a dose of empathy for the challenges faced by others.
This is because lack of exposure, and they are just in their bubble, not seeing what is the reality. And I thought, I should do something to make them, be in a better place and to be a better human.
So she left the tech world to focus full-time on the nonprofit, recruiting young people like 16-year-old Ravi, a science whiz who demonstrated the concept of light refraction for the kids.
If you look from here, like the top, you won't be able to see the drawing.
Ravi started volunteering with the program when he was 7 years old and has been with it ever since.
It just felt good. It felt amazing. My small impact can impact many people. So
Ravi, who wants to be a doctor, has also raised $5,000 for the agency to give to a charity for disabled children in India.
We have this realization that not everything is really perfect, and we could make this small impact that can help move things to a more perfect world.
The program is making an impact. 8-year-old Cielo Gutierrez says her school lost their science teacher last year, which was one of her favorite subjects.
I want to be an artist and I want to be a science teacher because science is really fun.
That's awesome.
Because you get to learn new things like gravity.
Cielo earned enough points by attending all of the stations to get a free prize of a robotics kit. Aisha says she just wants to give kids that one spark that can ignite a love of learning and a passion for service to others.
If one kid benefits out of it, our mission is accomplished, I feel.